Have you ever wondered why today is a good day?
Okay, so in this video, I am going to show you how I create a new vinyl print for one of my tie-dye shirts. It's the first time that I've done this sort of vinyl print with a mix of two colors of vinyl. It has white and black. I didn't quite record how I managed to put the design together on Cricut Design Space, but I can always do that in another video. For now, I'm going to show you how I created this design. It says, "This is my dog walking shirt," which is super lovely. I love the color of the shirt, and then the front has just got this little paw print, which is super cute. If you're going for a walk, it's always fun to wear a funky shirt, so that's the inspiration behind this. So I'm going to show you how I create that.
Have you ever wondered why today is a good day? Today you woke up healthy and alive, ready to face another day. The sun might be shining brightly, or perhaps it's a cozy rainy day, making it perfect for some indoor activities. Either way, it's interesting weather, which is reason enough to enjoy the day. Today is an opportunity to learn something new, to expand your horizons and broaden your knowledge. You also have the chance to make a positive impact on someone's life. A kind word, a helping hand, or just a smile can make a world of difference. You are fortunate to have access to food and clean water. It's a simple thing that we often take for granted. Today you can take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you, whether it's in nature, architecture, or even in the smile of a loved one. You have the ability to set and achieve small goals. Every step, no matter how small, is a step forward. And remember, you are surrounded by people who care about you. They're your cheerleaders, your support system. In this digital age, technology allows you to connect with loved ones, even if they're miles away. And there's nothing like a good cup of coffee or tea to start your day right. You have the freedom to make choices that shape your day. You can find joy in simple pleasures like reading a good book or listening to your favorite music. Today you can express gratitude, laugh, and find humor in everyday moments. You can engage in activities that bring you happiness, overcome challenges, and seize the countless opportunities that the world has to offer. Today is an opportunity to practice mindfulness, to be present in the moment, and to spread kindness and positivity. You can appreciate the diversity and uniqueness of the people around you. Remember, today is a blank canvas for new experiences and adventures. You can take a step towards your long-term goals, forgive, let go of negativity, and open yourself to unexpected and pleasant surprises. You can find inspiration in the world around you, express yourself creatively, savor delicious food, engage in physical activity, and take care of your well-being. Take a moment to reflect on your achievements and growth. Remember, today is a gift, and you have the opportunity to make the most of it. In conclusion, every day is a good day, because it's filled with opportunities for learning, growth, laughter, and love. It's a chance to make a positive impact, to connect with others, and to appreciate the simple pleasures of life. Today is a good day because it's a new beginning, a fresh start, and an adventure waiting to happen. So seize the day, embrace the possibilities, and make every moment count.